rewrite using sigma notation. 1 plus negative 8 plus 27 plus negative 64 plus 125. Well, first notice that these numbers, 8, 27, 64, and 125, are all perfect cubes. So in fact, 1 is a perfect cube. It's 1 cubed. Then we can write this negative 8 as plus a negative 1 multiplied times 2 cubed. Then plus 3 cubed. Then plus a negative 1 times 4 cubed. Plus 5 cubed. That helps us now because we can, using the exponent of 3 or the cube, we can write the sigma notation as the summation k equals 1 to 5 of negative 1 raised to the k plus 1. So for example, just to show that part, if k is 1, it would be negative 1 squared, which gives us positive 1, so our result is positive. Whereas if k were 2, it would be negative 1 cubed, giving us negative 1 for the second term. So that's good. And now what we have is the actual term number cubed. So the result is the summation from k equals 1 to 5 of negative 1 raised to the k plus 1 times k cubed.